Hi.
Hello, how are
Hi.
you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. What's your
I
name?
love I love what you're wearing. I love your scarf. What is it called in your country? We
Scarf,
call it a scarf. Yeah, it's the same.
hijab.
Hijab. It's very pretty.
Oh, thank
And
you so much.
I'm looking to see. I pronounced your name Sahiba. S-
Yes, Sahiba.
Nice. Nice. And you're in India?
Yes, I'm from India.
Which city are you in or near to?
In northern part, Jammu
Northern.
and Kashmir?
Mm, not really. Kashmir? I mean, I've heard of. Did you say Kashmir?
Yes, Kashmir.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes, I live in
So,
Kashmir.
nice. Nice. So I live in Texas. I'm in the United States. I could show you a picture real quick. Let me show you my screen. And maybe I could look at Kashmir too. So this is, let me see if I can type. This is the capital of Texas. It's called Austin. And maybe, I don't know, you
It's
can see
state. Texas is its state.
Texas is the state. Uh huh. So when you look at the United States, I'll show you.
Yes, yes.
Here, it's a big state. We're the second largest state.
Oh,
So
oh,
let me just open this one. So here is Texas. Down, we're
yes.
the
Oh,
middle and
very
south.
large, large state.
Yes, we're oh, this is a better picture. We're
What's the capital name?
Austin.
Austin.
Austin. Uh-huh. So
Okay.
the only state bigger is Alaska. We are the second largest state.
Okay.
So, and now let me look at Kashmir,
Mhm.
map of India. Maybe this one.
Top of.
The very, oh, yes, there
Yeah,
you are.
it's also large.
Yes, it is compared to the other, the ones below you,
Yes,
Punjab.
yes, yes.
And what language do you speak? What is your favorite?
Hindi, Hindi and
Hindi.
Urdu. I speak Urdu.
Urdu. Okay.
Yeah, it's famous.
And your English sounds so good. Why are you learning English, or is it for school or for work that you are learning English?
Actually, I am very interested in English language. Yeah, so
Nice.
that's why I am learning English right now.
Aw. Well, you
In
sound
future,
good.
in future, I talk in English. I want to talk in English.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So do you just want to have conversation
Yes.
today? No lesson. Okay. I mean, if you hear me say a word that is new, just ask me and I'll be happy to explain. Um, so yes, Texas is, we are known for, I'll show you a picture while I tell you.
Okay.
We are known for oil and gas, and ranches. When I say the word ranch, I mean
Yes.
land with lots of cows, lots of
Wow.
horses and
In
cows.
Texas?
Hmm. Yes, this
Oh my
animal
gosh. What is
is
this?
he is called the Texas longhorn.
Oh my.
He he is famous. It's our state animal.
Okay.
We
It's your state animal.
yes. So
Okay.
like universities, one of the most famous universities in Texas is the UT Longhorns, and they are in Austin, and this animal, they bring him to the football game. Every game they have, they bring him. He's their, we call it mascot. See, this is the football game.
Yes, yes.
And they bring, his name is Bevo. So he comes to all the games. They bring him out at all the games. But this kind of animal is very common in Texas. So if we were just to do just Texas longhorn, we would see these all over Texas. There are many different
Yes.
kinds. And our state, some people think that Texas is all hot desert, but it's
Yes.
actually very green. We get a lot of rainfall. This is near Austin, this park.
Wow, such a beautiful.
It's called Hamilton Pool, and it belongs to the city of Austin, and you can swim or hike near there. And this is our state flower.
Flowers.
That's maybe, here's a better picture.
There
These,
are roses.
they're called bluebonnets. Bluebonnets, they grow wild, and they grow
Yes.
many different places. Look, they grow wild during a certain part of the year, and you see them everywhere. So they are our state flower, and people like to take pictures
Yeah.
with their children or their pets.
Yep.
I don't know if this will show. See the children in the blue bonnets.
So
Parents,
this is a flower. Flower.
it is a flower. Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's your national flower, state flower.
State flower. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Wow. What
And
did they
this
say? No,
blue bonnet.
bluebird.
Yeah,
Okay.
Texas blue bonnets. The red one is also grows wild. It's called Indian paintbrush.
Yeah.
And yeah, so people make their children, it's like a tradition in
Yes.
Texas to put your kids in a picture every year and show them as they get older, or your cat or your dog. It's like a very Texan thing to do. So what if I did Kashmir
Mm-hmm.
countryside? This is what the country looks like in
Yeah,
Kashmir.
it here a lot of nature in Kashmir.
It looks beautiful. You have
Yes, so
mountains,
beautiful. Yeah.
very pretty. And how is everything there? Are are the are things getting better for you?
Yeah, yeah, all better. Everything is okay.
So did it get better after people got vaccinated, or did it just get better on its own?
Sorry?
Um, so in the United States, we are having more people get sick and more people in the hospital. Um,
Yes.
so in the capital of Austin and the town where I live, we are at stage 5 again. We
Yes.
are where we have to be more careful. And
Yeah.
is it that way in Kashmir?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So here's the picture. And
Yeah, snow.
oh, snow on the mountain.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Is this
What's
working
that?
out?
Yeah, yeah, form.
Many
Form.
One wonder farmers.
Yes,
Farmers.
farmers.
Mhm. You know what?